today, I'm going to show you how I turn some of my favorite classic recipes into new breakfast ideas. I'm going to show you guys my banana granola parfait, inspired by the classic banana bread. So in front of me, I have a mixing bowl, and to that, I'm going to add some coconut oil, vanilla extract, honey, and I'm just going to give it a little stir. To that, I'm gonna add some oats. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. I love my brown sugar. Cinnamon, salt, and pecans. All right, just gonna give it a nice stir. Just mix everything together. This is our granola for the banana granola parfait. I've lined my baking sheet with some parchment paper, and I'm just gonna add my granola mixture to that. Make sure we get all of this goodness. Don't worry, we haven't added the banana yet, it's coming. I'm gonna put this into the oven at 325 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. And halfway through, I'm gonna give it a nice stir so that it doesn't burn. So my granola is out of the oven, and I am gonna add some shredded coconut. And what's so great about this is the granola gives you a really nice crunch, and the coconut is gonna make it nice and chewy. Just adding some different texture. Ah, it's snowing coconut! Beautiful! And now I'm gonna add some banana chips. And these are just store-bought banana chips that I've just kind of crunched up. I'm just gonna mix all of this together. Look at how beautiful this is. We have our banana, our granola, our pecans, coconut. This is just amazing! Now we're gonna build our parfait. So first, I'm gonna start with the granola mixture. Just add a layer to the bottom of a glass, just like that. Now I'm gonna add some yogurt. Oh, look at that. This is gorgeous, darling. You are a star. So the honey and the strawberries represent the jelly in this peanut butter and jelly smoothie. I'm gonna blend away. Just put the top on. Make sure you put it on real tight. Blend away. All right, I'm gonna take the top off. I'm just gonna pour it into this glass. Ah, look at that! This looks so beautiful and creamy. I want to get every bit of it. Voila! Avocado toast is extremely trendy for breakfast these days, and inspired by the classic BLT sandwich, I'm going to show you how I make my BLT avocado toast. In front of me, I've toasted some slices of bread, and to that, I'm gonna add some avocado. You wanna make sure that your avocado is really nice and ripe, because what I'm gonna do is kind of mash my avocado with a fork. I am like in love with BLTs, mainly because of the bacon, so who wouldn't want an inspired BLT dish for breakfast? I'm gonna add some salt, and then I'm gonna add juice of a lime. Ah, this is gonna be so good. And this is optional. If you want a kick, you can add some chili flakes. I like it because it adds a little bit of color. Ah, look at that. I'm gonna add some tomato, of course, because this is inspired by the classic BLT sandwich. So pretty. And of course, we can't forget about the bacon. We are not gonna stop there. There is more to this story. I'm gonna add some basil. So fresh, it smells so good. Ah, you are beautiful. You are a masterpiece that we get to eat. I hope you give these new classics a try and make sure you follow Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, and I'll see you next week.